Hello, good morning, students. In the last lecture, we had studied from the hydrocarbon topic alkane, alkene. Now we will study alkynes, that is one of the hydrocarbon given in this chapter number 15. So first definition of alkyne. Alkynes are aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond in their molecule. So meaning of aliphatic is a open chain compounds. Then unsaturated meaning is containing carbon-carbon double or triple bond. Then hydrocarbon meaning is containing carbon and hydrogen atom. And in this definition, it is clearly mentioned that at least one carbon-carbon double bond, a triple bond. Therefore, these alkynes are triply bonded carbon containing compound. So minimum one carbon-carbon triple bond is present. So remember this definition well. Aliphatic unsaturated hydrocarbons containing at least one carbon-carbon triple bond are called alkynes. The number of hydrogen atoms are still less in alkyne as compared to alkene and alkane. The general formula for alkyne is CnH2n minus 2. So in this formula, N is number of carbon atoms. So depending upon this number of carbon atoms, we can find easily number of hydrogen atoms present in alkyne. For example, to write structure of alkyne, minimum two carbon atoms are required. Therefore, here N is minimum 2. So, if you take N number as a 2, then C2H4, C2H2 is the molecular formula of first alkyne. Then, second will be C3H4, then C4H6, like this. Different molecular formulae of alkyne can be obtained from this general molecular formula. Now we will study this names and the formulae given in the alkyne. This is given in this tabular form. So first is the molecular formula, lower alkyne. The molecular formula is C2H2. The structural formula will be HC triple bond CH. Name is acetylene and IUPAC name is ethine. Second example is 3 carbon containing alkyne C3H4. The structural formula is CH3 single bond C triple bond CH. Common name is methyl acetylene and IUPAC name is propyne. Next example is 4 carbon containing alkyne. Molecular formula will be C4H6 and the structural formula is CH3 single bond CH2 single bond C triple bond CH, and common name is ethyl acetylene and IUPAC name is but1-wine. Then the same molecular formula C4H6, the common name and the structure is CH3 C triple bond C CH3. It is dimethyl acetylene and IUPAC name is but2-wine. So these are the examples of some lower alkynes. Now we will study this isomerism present in alkyne. So Alkyne show position type of isomerism, and position isomerism we had already studied in alkene. It is one type of structural type of isomerism. Here the position meaning is the different position of carbon-carbon triple bond, but the carbon chain is of the same type. Here the example is 1 butene and 2 butene. Here in 1 butene, carbon-carbon triple bond is present between carbon number 1 and 2. And in 2 butene, carbon-carbon triple bond is present between carbon number 2 and 3. Just now we had studied the examples of this, and we had given IUPAC name as a but1 YNE and but2 YNE. So this one alkyne means 1 butene, 1 propyne, 1 pentyne, 1 hexyne. This type of alkynes are also called as a terminal alkynes. So terminal alkynes means alkyne containing carbon-carbon triple bond at one end of the carbon chain, that is called as a terminal alkynes. So that is about the definition, general formula, and examples and the type of isomerism present. Here in this type of isomerism, position isomerism, this is a carbon-carbon long chain containing one carbon-carbon triple bond with 4 carbon atoms. The position of carbon-carbon triple bond here is between 1 and 2 carbon, therefore called as a but1 YNE, and here the carbon-carbon triple bond is present between 2 and 3 carbon, therefore the name given as but2 YNE. So here but1 YNE and but2 YNE have only difference of position of carbon-carbon triple bond, hence they are called as a position isomers. So that is about the definition, general formula, examples, common name, IUPAC name, and the type of isomerism. Thank you.